Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Urdu ebook before it's gone.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम, मेरा नाम अफ़रा है। आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई। Hi, my name is Afra. Nice to meet you. Welcome to UrduPod101.com's 3 Minute में Urdu, the fastest, easiest and most fun way to learn Urdu. In this series, you are going to learn basic Urdu expressions. It's super easy and it only takes 3 minutes. In this lesson, you are going to learn how to introduce yourself in Urdu. There are only 2 sentences you need to know. Assalamualaikum. मेरा नाम अफ़रा है। आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई। Hi, my name is Afra. Nice to meet you. Start by saying Assalamualaikum. Then say मेरा नाम, then your name, and then say है. Please repeat after me. Assalamualaikum. मेरा नाम, your name, है. Finally, say आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. Together we have Assalamualaikum. मेरा नाम अफ़रा है. आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. Let's take a closer look at the first sentence. First is the phrase Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum in Urdu is equivalent to hello. Next is mera, meaning my. This is a way to refer to yourself which can be used by both men and women. Next we have naam, meaning name. Then you say your name, and finally we have hai. Hai is attached to the end of the sentence and literally means to exist. In the first sentence, we have the construction mera plus naam plus your name plus hai. The structure of simple Urdu sentences is different from English. In Urdu, the word order is subject, object, verb. The second sentence we have is आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई can be used by both men and women. It means nice to meet you. It is used when meeting someone for the first time. आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. Again, all together it is Assalamualaikum. मेरा नाम अफ़रा है. आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. Now it's time for Afra's advice. Pakistani people do generally shake hands with people of the same gender and often hug them as well. If you're unsure, just say Assalamualaikum and shake hands with people of the same gender as you. However, in a business situation or with people from the opposite gender, you might refrain from shaking hands. Do you know how we say thank you in Urdu? You will learn how to say this and many other words in the next lesson. फिर मिलेंगे. See you then. Assalamualaikum. मेरा नाम अफ़रा है. Hi, my name is Afra. Welcome to UrduPod101.com's 3 Minute में Urdu, the fastest, easiest and most fun way to learn Urdu. In the last lesson, you learned how to introduce yourself in Urdu. In this lesson, you are going to learn how to use good manners when you thank people. क्या आप तैयार हैं? Are you ready? तो चलिए शुरू करें. So let's begin. Saying thank you in Urdu is very easy. It's just one word. Shukriya. Shukriya. Shukriya means thank you. You can emphasize shukriya by adding बहुत, which means very much. So it becomes बहुत shukriya. बहुत shukriya. Thank you very much. So now you have learned how to say thank you in Urdu. But how will you reply if someone else says thank you to you? In Urdu, you are welcome is sometimes expressed as आपका खैर मुकद्दम है. आपका खैर मुकद्दम है. You can also respond to someone who has thanked you by using another expression. This is कोई बात नहीं, which literally means it's nothing. कोई बात नहीं. कोई बात नहीं. So when someone says shukriya to you, you can simply reply with कोई बात नहीं or आपका खैर मुकद्दम है. Now it's time for Afra's advice. Pakistanis do not always use the expressions for thank you and you are welcome in everyday situations. It is a concept literally translated from English. Native speakers often show politeness simply by using polite pronouns and verb forms while speaking. Do you know what Subha Bakhair means? In our next lesson, you will learn this and other greetings in Urdu. फिर मिलेंगे. See you then. Assalamu alaikum. मेरा नाम अफरा है. Hi, my name is Afra. Welcome to UrduPod101.com's 3 minute में Urdu, the fastest, easiest and most fun way to learn Urdu. In the last lesson, you learned how to show gratitude to people by saying shukriya. In this lesson, you will learn some of the most common greetings used in Pakistan. क्या आप तैयार हैं? Are you ready? तो चलिए शुरू करें. So let's begin. Let's start with a greeting you are sure to have heard before. Assalamu alaikum. This is a phrase that is so closely associated with Pakistan and Islamic culture that it has become famous all over the world. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. The phrase Assalamu alaikum is actually Arabic for peace be on you. We use it as a formal as well as a friendly greeting. It's used when people meet at any time of the day, morning, noon, or evening. Use this and you will surely impress your Pakistani friends. In Urdu, using different greetings for each time of the day is not very common. When talking to friends, we usually just use the English phrases, but there are equivalent Urdu versions. They are just not used that often. If you meet someone before noon, you can say Subha Bakhair. Subha Bakhair. For later in the day, you can say Sham Bakhair. Sham Bakhair. But most of the time, you can just say Assalamu alaikum and not worry about it. Now let's move on to the expressions we use for saying goodbye in Urdu. A parting expression that we can use for all occasions is फिर मिलेंगे, which means see you. फिर मिलेंगे. फिर मिलेंगे. The first word फिर means again and the second word मिलेंगे means we will meet. Let's look at one more expression. Alvida. Alvida is an Urdu word which means farewell. Alvida. Alvida. It is an appropriate choice when parting for a long time or forever. Now it's time for Afra's advice. As we learned in this lesson, Assalamu alaikum can be used at any time of the day. But this all-around greeting is not just for saying hello, but for saying goodbye as well. It really is a very useful phrase and you should remember it by heart. In the next lesson, you will learn the meaning of the phrase क्या आप अंग्रेजी बोलते हैं? Do you already know it? I'll be waiting to tell you about it in our next lesson. फिर मिलेंगे. Assalamu alaikum. मेरा नाम अफरा है. Hi, my name is Afra. Welcome to UrduPod101.com's 3 minute में Urdu, the fastest, easiest, and most fun way to learn Urdu. In the last lesson, you learned the most common forms of greetings in Urdu. Do you remember them? In this lesson, you are going to learn a very useful phrase. Do you speak English? If you find yourself in a situation where you need assistance in English, this phrase can be a lifesaver. And because you are asking it in Urdu, you can be sure that everyone will understand what you are saying, even if their answer is no. Let's start with the formal expression. First though, take note that in Urdu, verbs change depending on the number and gender of the noun. So when asking a man if he speaks English, you would say, क्या आप अंग्रेजी बोलते हैं? क्या आप अंग्रेजी बोलते हैं? But to ask a woman if she speaks English, you would say, क्या आप अंग्रेजी बोलती हैं? क्या आप अंग्रेजी बोलती हैं? Let's have a closer look. First, we have kya, a question marker which comes at the beginning of the sentence. Next is aap. This is the respectful word for you and is used in formal situations. You should always use it with people you don't know or with elders. Next, we have angrezi, which means English. Next is the verb bolte, meaning to speak. It is used when the subject is masculine. We use bolti when the subject is feminine. And finally, we have hain. Hain is a sentence-ending particle used with aap. Once more, when asking a man, it's क्या आप अंग्रेजी बोलते हैं? And when asking a woman, क्या आप अंग्रेजी बोलती हैं? Now let's make this sentence informal. First, we need to use the informal version of you, which is tum. If we change the word for you, we will also change the sentence ending particle to ho. Everything else stays the same. When speaking to younger people, it's acceptable to use this informal form, in which case you will say, क्या तुम अंग्रेजी बोलते हो? To ask a young man or a boy, क्या तुम अंग्रेजी बोलते हो? And when you're asking a young woman or a girl, you will say, क्या तुम अंग्रेजी बोलती हो? क्या तुम अंग्रेजी बोलती हो? The responses you will receive could be one of these three. हाँ, yes, हाँ, थोड़ी बहुत, a little, थोड़ी, बहुत, नहीं, no, I don't, नहीं. Now let's review one more time. To ask a man in a formal situation if he speaks English, we would say, क्या आप अंग्रेजी बोलते हैं? And to ask a woman in a formal situation, we would say, क्या आप अंग्रेजी बोलती हैं? To ask a man in an informal situation, we would say, क्या तुम अंग्रेजी बोलते हो? And to ask a woman in an informal situation, we would say, क्या तुम अंग्रेजी बोलती हो? Now it's time for Afra's advice. Pakistan was once for a long time part of the British Empire, and so today English is one of the official languages of Pakistan. When visiting tourist areas, you are sure to meet many people who can communicate with you in English. Still, a large part of the population cannot understand English, and you can never go wrong knowing the local language. How do you say, I'm sorry in Urdu? In the next lesson, we will learn ways to apologize. It's never too late to show your good manners with Pakistani people. I'll see you in our next lesson. फिर मिलेंगे. Assalamualaikum. मेरा नाम अफरा है. Hi, my name is Afra. Welcome to UrduPod101.com's 3 Minute में Urdu, the fastest, easiest and most fun way to learn Urdu. In the last lesson, you learned the phrase, क्या आप अंग्रेजी बोलते हैं? Meaning, do you speak English? In this lesson, you are going to learn how to apologize in Urdu. There are a number of ways to apologize. But in a formal situation, you should use maaf kijiye. Maaf kijiye. The first word maaf literally means forgive, and kijiye is a polite form of the verb meaning please do. So this expression actually means something like forgive me please. Now let's hear it again. Maaf kijiye. Maaf kijiye is used in formal situations when you're communicating with someone you have met for the first time, with elders, and usually also when communicating with women. It is not used among friends or people who are informal with each other. The informal way to say I'm sorry is maaf karo. Maaf karo. Let's review. Maaf kijiye is the formal way to say I'm sorry or excuse me. Maaf karo is the informal way to say I'm sorry or excuse me. These are all versatile phrases with a few different meanings, depending on the situation. Whether you are trying to get someone's attention for a question or making your way through a crowded area, or apologizing for stepping on someone's foot, these are all phrases you could use. Now imagine someone says maaf kijiye to you after having done something wrong. How would you respond? In this case, the proper phrase is koi baat nahi. Koi baat nahi. This means something like it doesn't matter. Koi baat nahi. You might remember this phrase from lesson 2. It is the same phrase you can use when responding to someone thanking you. Now it's time for Afra's advice. If someone bumps into you on the streets in Pakistan, don't expect an excuse me, especially in the big cities. Pakistanis are usually very friendly people, but just don't consider excusing themselves for bumping into someone as time well spent. Big crowds are very common in big cities. Unless someone pushes you over so hard you fell on the ground, keep walking. Are you able to count in Urdu? In the next lesson, you will learn the numbers in Urdu from 1 to 10. I'll be waiting for you in our next lesson. फिर मिलेंगे. Assalamu alaikum. मेरा नाम अफरा है. Hi, my name is Afra. Welcome to UrduPod101.com's 3 Minute में Urdu, the fastest, easiest and most fun way to learn Urdu. In the last lesson, you learned some words used when apologizing in Urdu, including maaf kijiye. In this lesson, you are going to learn numbers in Urdu. Yes, numbers. Tadad. From 1 to 10. And you are going to learn them in only 3 minutes. 3 minute. Are you ready? Let's start. एक, एक, दो, दो, तीन, तीन, चार, चार, पाँच, पाँच, छः, छः, सात, सात, आठ, आठ, नौ, नौ, दस, दस. Okay, now repeat after me. I will say the numbers and give you time to repeat each one. एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, छः, सात, आठ, नौ, दस. Great job. What is before ek? Do you know? It's 0, of course, which in Urdu is sifar. Sifar. Now you don't have any more excuses. You can give your friends your cell phone number in Urdu. Let's try it together. To say my phone number is in Urdu, first say the phrase Mera phone number then say your cell phone number and finally say hai. Mera phone number. Your phone number hai. For example, मेरा फ़ोन नंबर 902-557-224-8 है. Can you understand it by yourself? 902-557-224-8. Perfect. Now it's time for Afra's advice. Did you know that in Urdu, numbers have their own script that is similar to the Hindu-Arabic numeral system? Yes, that's right. They don't look like the numbers we are used to seeing in the Western world. But with just a little more effort, you can not only say the numbers in Urdu, you'll be able to read them as well. Do you know the Urdu word for 100? In the next lesson, you are going to learn the numbers from 11 to 100 in Urdu. Your task now is to practice the numbers we studied in this lesson from 1 to 10. फिर मिलेंगे. Assalamualaikum. मेरा नाम अफरा है. Hi everybody, my name is Afra. Welcome to UrduPod101.com's 3 Minute में Urdu, the fastest, easiest and most fun way to learn Urdu. In the last lesson, we learned the numbers from 1 to 10. Do you remember them? Just in case you have forgotten, I'll tell you again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now let's continue from 11. 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19. Urdu numbers from 1 to 100 are quite irregular with no definite pattern. So the only way to learn them is to memorize them. It might seem daunting at first, but you will soon recognize a rough pattern. Now, here are the rest of the tens. 20, 20, 30, 30, 40, 40, 50, 50, 60, 60, 70, 70, 80, 80, 90, 90. While you have to memorize many of the numbers, there is a trick that will make memorizing them easy. Notice that 30 is 30 and 40 is 40. Do you remember what 3 and 4 are in Urdu? Well, let me remind you. 3 is 3 and 4 is 4. As you can see, the sound T of teen, which is 3, is used in 30 or 30. Teen, tees. Similarly, the sound cha in char, which is 4, is used in chalis or 40. Char, chalis. Do you see other similarities? 5 in Urdu is panch, while 50 is pachas. The common sound is pa. Unfortunately, this does not apply to all numbers. 60 in Urdu is sat, while 6 is che. As you can see, there is no common sound. The last thing to learn in this lesson is how to form compound numbers above 20. You already know that the number patterns in Urdu are quite irregular. So you might be wondering if you have to memorize each and every compound number. The answer is yes, you do. However, we are going to make your life a little bit easier with this brilliant tip. For any number between 20 and 99, you will say a variation of the numbers 1 to 9, followed by the tens. Let's try it out. How would you say 34 in Urdu? You first say a variation of 4 followed by a variation of 30. So 34 is literally read as 430, which is chauntis. Here, chaun is a variation of the number 4 or char, and tis is a variation of 30. Chaun tis. 61 is iksat, which is literally read as 160. Ik is a variation of ek for 1, while sat is a variation of sat for 60. Ik, sat. Let's look at one more number, 95. In Urdu, it is 95, which is literally read as 590. 50 is a variation of 5 for 5, and 90 is a variation of 90 for 90. 95. Now it's time for Afra's advice. Did you get until number 99? Here is another number you might want to know. 100. 100. That's 100 in Urdu. Congratulations! Now you're able to count to 100 in Urdu. In the next lesson, we are going to put your number knowledge to use. Do you have all the skills you need to go shopping in Pakistan? If not, I'll be waiting for you in our next 3 minute में Urdu lesson. फिर मिलेंगे. Assalamu alaikum. मेरा नाम अफरा है. Hi everybody, my name is Afra. Welcome to UrduPod101.com's 3 minute में Urdu, the fastest, easiest and most fun way to learn Urdu. In the last lesson, you learned how to count in Urdu. I hope you spent some time practicing the numbers because they will come in handy in this lesson. You're going to learn how to go shopping in Pakistan. Before we go, you need to know how to say, how much is this? इसका दाम क्या है? इसका दाम क्या है? Are you ready to go shopping in Pakistan? Let's go. You see something you like and want to ask the shopkeeper how much it costs. The first thing to say to a shopkeeper is, माफ कीजिए. Do you remember what that means? Excuse me. माफ कीजिए, इसका दाम क्या है? Excuse me, how much is this? माफ कीजिए, इसका दाम क्या है? If you want to be more specific when asking how much is this and refer to a certain type of object, you just need to insert the object in between the word iska, between is and ka. Let's see an example. Suppose you want to buy a hat in the market. Hat in Urdu is topi. So, how much is this hat? In Urdu is, इस टोपी का दाम क्या है? इस टोपी का दाम क्या है? But what if you want to buy several things? Then you would have to use a new word, inka, which means these. Excuse me, how much are these? In Urdu is, माफ कीजिए, इनका दाम क्या है? माफ कीजिए, इनका दाम क्या है? At this point, the shop clerk can answer by saying, इसका दाम, the price, then है, or ये, the price, then का है. For example, इसका दाम 50 रुपए है, ये 50 रुपए का है. What number is 50? I'm not telling you. Okay, it's 50. So altogether, this means it costs 50 rupees. Now it's time for Afra's advice. Another very common way of asking how much is it is, ye kitne ka hai? And if you want to be more specific and mention the thing you want to know the price of, all you need to do is insert the object after ye. Ye seb kitne ka hai? Which means how much is this apple? At this point, can you count rupees in Urdu? We are going to learn how to do this and much more in the next lesson. I'll be waiting for you in our next 3 minute में Urdu lesson. फिर मिलेंगे. In this video, you'll learn 20 of the most common words and phrases in Urdu. Hi everybody, my name is Afra. Welcome to the 800 Core Urdu Words and Phrases video series. This series will teach you the 800 most common words and phrases in Urdu. But there's a twist. With each new lesson in this series, we'll include the previous lessons at the end. So after you have learned the new words and phrases, stick around and review what you learned in previous lessons. Reviewing is one of the most important parts of learning a language. You can also get the full list right now at urdupod101.com. Click the link in the description to access more example sentences, create your own flashcard deck, and finally master Urdu. So let's get started. First is hello. 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 Ahem salam hai. Hello is an important greeting. Hello, ahem salam hai. Maaf kijiyega. Excuse me. Maaf kijiyega. Maaf kijiyega. Excuse me. माफ कीजिएगा, मुझे लगता है ये मेरी सीट है जिस पर आप बैठे हुए हैं. Excuse me, I think this is my seat you're sitting on. माफ कीजिएगा, मुझे लगता है ये मेरी सीट है जिस पर आप बैठे हुए हैं. मैं माफी चाहता हूँ. I'm sorry. मैं माफी चाहता हूँ. मैं माफी चाहता हूँ. I'm sorry. मैं माफी चाहता हूँ, वो अभी यहाँ नहीं है. I'm sorry, he's not here right now. मैं माफी चाहता हूँ, वो अभी यहाँ नहीं है. शब बखैर. Good night. शब बखैर. शब बखैर. Good night. जब मैं पार्टी से निकला तो मैंने सबको शब बखैर कहा. I said good night to everyone when I left the party. जब मैं पार्टी से निकला तो मैंने सबको शब बखैर कहा. आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. Nice to meet you. आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. Nice to meet you. बराए मेहरबानी अंदर आइए. आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. Please come in. It's nice to meet you. बराए मेहरबानी अंदर आइए. आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. आप कैसे हैं? How are you? आप कैसे हैं? आप कैसे हैं? How are you? आप कैसा हैं? How are you? आप कैसा हैं? हाँ. Yes. हाँ. हाँ. Yes. हाँ, कल जुमा है. Yes, tomorrow is Friday. हाँ, कल जुमा है. नहीं. No. नहीं. नहीं. No. नहीं, मैंने ये चोरी नहीं किया. No, I didn't steal it. नहीं, मैंने ये चोरी नहीं किया. आपका शुक्रिया. Thank you. आपका शुक्रिया, आपका शुक्रिया, थैंक यू। मेरी मदद करने के लिए आपका शुक्रिया, थैंक यू फॉर हेल्पिंग मी। मेरी मदद करने के लिए आपका शुक्रिया। मैं हूँ, I'm। मैं हूँ, मैं हूँ, I'm। मैं मारिया हूँ, I'm Maria। मैं मारिया हूँ। खुदा हाफिज, goodbye। खुदा हाफिज, खुदा हाफिज, goodbye। खुदा हाफिज, मैं कल आपसे मिलूंगा। Goodbye, I'll see you tomorrow। खुदा हाफिज, मैं कल आपसे मिलूंगा। खराब, bad। खराब, खराब, bad। आज मौसम खराब है। Today the weather is bad। आज मौसम खराब है। अच्छा, good। अच्छा, अच्छा, good। अंगूठा ऊपर का मतलब अच्छा है। Thumbs up means good। अंगूठा ऊपर का मतलब अच्छा है। खूबसूरत, pretty। खूबसूरत, खूबसूरत, pretty। आपका लिबास बहुत खूबसूरत है। Your dress is very pretty। आपका लिबास बहुत खूबसूरत है। बदसूरत, ugly। बदसूरत, बदसूरत, ugly। वो बदसूरत कुत्ता है। That is an ugly dog। वो बदसूरत कुत्ता है। आसान, easy। आसान, आसान, easy। इम्तिहान आसान था। The exam was easy। इम्तिहान आसान था। मुश्किल, difficult। मुश्किल, मुश्किल, difficult। अंग्रेजी मुश्किल है। English is difficult। अंग्रेजी मुश्किल है। करीब, near। करीब, करीब, near। मैं यूनिवर्सिटी के करीब रहता हूँ। I live near the university। मैं यूनिवर्सिटी के करीब रहता हूँ। दूर, far। दूर, दूर, far। औरत दूर कुछ देख रही है। The woman is looking at something far away। औरत दूर कुछ देख रही है। छोटी, small। छोटी, छोटी, small। गाड़ी छोटी है लेकिन ये बहुत ताकतवर है। The car is small but it's very powerful। गाड़ी छोटी है लेकिन ये बहुत ताकतवर है। Remember, the goal of this series is to build a vocabulary of the 800 most common words and phrases in Urdu. If that sounds like a lot, don't worry, we can help you. Click the link in the description to access the full list. You will also get example sentences, custom flashcard decks, and most learning resources at urdupod101.com. See you next time. Alvida. In this video, you'll learn 20 of the most common words and phrases in Urdu. Hi everybody, my name is Afra. Welcome to the 800 Core Urdu Words and Phrases video series. This series will teach you the 800 most common words and phrases in Urdu. But there's a twist. With each new lesson in this series, we'll include the previous lessons at the end. So after you have learned the new words and phrases, Stick around and review what you learned in previous lessons. Reviewing is one of the most important parts of learning a language. You can also get the full list right now at urdupod101.com. Click the link in the description to access more example sentences, create your own flashcard deck, and finally master Urdu. Okay, let's get started. First is aaj. Today. Aaj. Aaj. Today. आज गर्मी है. Today it's hot. आज गर्मी है. कल. Yesterday. कल. कल. Yesterday. मैंने कल छुट्टी की. I took a day off yesterday. मैंने कल छुट्टी की. कल. Tomorrow. कल. कल. Tomorrow. कल मेरी सालगिरह है. Tomorrow is my birthday. कल मेरी सालगिरह है. हफ्ता. Week. हफ्ता. हफ्ता. Week. एक हफ्ते में 7 दिन होते हैं. There are 7 days in a week. एक हफ्ते में 7 दिन होते हैं. साल. Year. साल. साल. Year. मैं अगले साल वापस आ जाऊंगा. I'll be back next year. मैं अगले साल वापस आ जाऊंगा. Second. 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 एक सेकंड रुकें. मेरा ख्याल है आपसे कोई चीज नजरअंदाज हो गई है. Wait a second. I think you may have overlooked something. एक सेकंड रुकें. मेरा ख्याल है आपसे कोई चीज नजरअंदाज हो गई है. Minute. 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 एक मिनट में 60 सेकंड होते हैं. There are 60 seconds in a minute. एक मिनट में 60 सेकंड होते हैं. घंटा. Hour. घंटा. घंटा. Hour. मैं हर रोज 8 घंटे सोता हूँ. I sleep for 8 hours every day. मैं हर रोज 8 घंटे सोता हूँ. घड़ी. Clock. घड़ी. घड़ी. Clock. घड़ी दीवार पर लटक रही है. The wall clock is hanging on the wall. घड़ी दीवार पर लटक रही है. बजे. O'clock. बजे. बजे. O'clock. चलो 9 बजे स्टेशन पर मिलते हैं. Let's meet at the station at 9 o'clock. चलो 9 बजे स्टेशन पर मिलते हैं. कैलेंडर. 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 मैंने कैलेंडर पर हमारी शादी की सालगिरह का निशान लगा दिया है. I marked our anniversary on the calendar. मैंने कैलेंडर पर हमारी शादी की सालगिरह का निशान लगा दिया है. पीर. Monday. पीर. पीर. Monday. हफ्ते में काम का दिन पीर से शुरू होता है. The work week starts on Monday. हफ्ते में काम का दिन पीर से शुरू होता है. मंगल. Tuesday. मंगल, मंगल, ट्यूसडे, 1 जनवरी इस साल मंगल को आएगा। January 1st falls on a Tuesday this year. 1 जनवरी इस साल मंगल को आएगा। बुध, Wednesday, बुध, बुध, Wednesday, हम बुध की रात मेरे घर पर पोकर खेलते हैं। Wednesday nights we play poker at my house. हम बुध की रात मेरे घर पर पोकर खेलते हैं। जुमेरात, Thursday, जुमेरात, जुमेरात, Thursday, आप जुमेरात को क्या कर रहे हैं? What are you doing on Thursday? आप जुमेरात को क्या कर रहे हैं? जुमा, Friday, जुमा, जुमा, Friday, जुमा के मंसूबा-ए-जात कैलेंडर पर लिखें। Write the plans for Friday on the calendar. जुमा के मंसूबा-ए-जात कैलेंडर पर लिखें। हफ्ता, Saturday, हफ्ता, हफ्ता, Saturday, हफ्ते के दिन के लिए कोई मंसूबा नहीं। No plans for Saturday. हफ्ते के दिन के लिए कोई मंसूबा नहीं। इतवार, Sunday, इतवार, इतवार, Sunday, इतवार को फादर्स डे है। Sunday is Father's Day. इतवार को फादर्स डे है। करना, do, करना, करना, do, मेरे पास करने को बहुत सा काम है। I have so much work to do. मेरे पास करने को बहुत सा काम है। जाना, go, जाना, जाना, go, मैं स्कूल जाता हूँ। I go to school. मैं स्कूल जाता हूँ। Remember, the goal of this series is to build a vocabulary of the 800 most common words and phrases in Urdu. If that sounds like a lot, don't worry, we can help you. Click the link in the description to access the full list. You will also get example sentences, custom flashcard decks, and most learning resources at urdupod101.com. See you next time. Alvida. In this video, you'll learn 20 of the most common words and phrases in Urdu. Hi everybody, my name is Afra. Welcome to the 800 Core Urdu Words and Phrases video series. This series will teach you the 800 most common words and phrases in Urdu. But there's a twist. With each new lesson in this series, we'll include the previous lessons at the end. So after you have learned the new words and phrases, stick around and review what you learned in previous lessons. Reviewing is one of the most important parts of learning a language. You can also get the full list right now at urdupod101.com. Click the link in the description to access more example sentences, create your own flashcard deck, and finally master Urdu. Okay, let's get started. First is hansna, laugh. Hansna, hansna, laugh. जोड़ा एक लतीफे पर हंसता है. The couple laughs at a joke. जोड़ा एक लतीफे पर हंसता है. मजेदार, delicious. मजेदार, मजेदार, delicious. चीनी खाना मजेदार है. Chinese food is delicious. चीनी खाना मजेदार है. पानी, water. पानी, पानी, water. औरत पानी पी रही है. The woman is drinking water. औरत पानी पी रही है. चाय, tea. चाय, चाय, tea. आप चाय का एक कप पीना पसंद करेंगे? Would you like a cup of tea? आप चाय का एक कप पीना पसंद करेंगे? कॉफी, 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 कॉफी. मुझे अपनी कॉफी काली पसंद है. I like my coffee black. मुझे अपनी कॉफी काली पसंद है. Beer, 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 beer. Bartender एक ड्राफ्ट बियर भर रहा है. The bartender is pouring a draft beer. Bartender एक ड्राफ्ट बियर भर रहा है. शराब, वाइन, शराब, शराब, वाइन. शराब ग्लास में डाली जा रही है. Wine is being poured into the glass. शराब ग्लास में डाली जा रही है. बड़ा गोश्त, beef, बड़ा गोश्त, बड़ा गोश्त, beef. ये बड़ा गोश्त बहुत मज़ेदार है. This beef is very delicious. ये बड़ा गोश्त बहुत मज़ेदार है. मुर्गी, chicken, मुर्गी, मुर्गी, chicken. आदमी मुर्गी काट रहा है. The man is cutting chicken. आदमी मुर्गी काट रहा है. खिंजीर का गोश्त, pork, खिंजीर का गोश्त, खिंजीर का गोश्त, pork. पाकिस्तान में खिंजीर का गोश्त नहीं खाया जाता है. Pork is not eaten in Pakistan. पाकिस्तान में खिंजीर का गोश्त नहीं खाया जाता है. मछली, fish, मछली, मछली, fish. जापानी लोग बहुत ज़्यादा मछली खाते हैं. Japanese people eat a lot of fish. जापानी लोग बहुत ज़्यादा मछली खाते हैं. भेड़ का गोश्त, lamb, भेड़ का गोश्त, भेड़ का गोश्त, lamb. भेड़ का गोश्त बहुत लजीज होता है. Lamb is extremely delicious. भेड़ का गोश्त बहुत लजीज होता है. डॉक्टर, 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 डॉक्टर. उनकी वालदा डॉक्टर हैं. Her mother is a doctor. उनकी वालदा डॉक्टर हैं. पुलिस अफसर, पुलिस ऑफिसर, पुलिस अफसर, पुलिस अफसर, पुलिस ऑफिसर. पुलिस अफसर ड्राइवर से पूछगछ कर रहा है. The police officer is questioning the driver. पुलिस अफसर ड्राइवर से पूछगछ कर रहा है. उस्ताद, teacher, उस्ताद, उस्ताद, teacher. एक क्लासरूम में उस्ताद है. Teacher in a classroom. एक क्लासरूम में उस्ताद है. मुलाजिम, employee, मुलाजिम, मुलाजिम, employee. मुलाजिमीन बोर्ड रूम में एक इजलास कर रहे हैं. The employees are having a meeting in the boardroom. मुलाजिमीन बोर्ड रूम में एक इजलास कर रहे हैं. आना, come, आना, आना, come. ग्राहक दफ्तर आता है. The customer comes to the office. ग्राहक दफ्तर आता है. देखना, see, देखना, देखना, see. सयाह गुरूब आफ्ताब देखते हैं. The tourists see the sunset. सयाह गुरूब आफ्ताब देखते हैं. Banana, make, banana, banana, make. बावर्ची माल्टे का रस बनाता है. The chef makes orange juice. बावर्ची माल्टे का रस बनाता है. इस्तेमाल, use, इस्तेमाल, इस्तेमाल, use. आप इसे इस्तेमाल करना जानते हैं. Do you know how to use it? आप इसे इस्तेमाल करना जानते हैं. Remember, the goal of this series is to build a vocabulary of the 800 most common words and phrases in Urdu. If that sounds like a lot, don't worry, we can help you. Click the link in the description to access the full list. You will also get example sentences, custom flashcard decks, and most learning resources at urdupod101.com. See you next time. Alvida. In this video, you'll learn 20 of the most common words and phrases in Urdu. Hi everybody, my name is Afra. Welcome to the 800 Core Urdu Words and Phrases video series. This series will teach you the 800 most common words and phrases in Urdu. But there's a twist. With each new lesson in this series, we'll include the previous lessons at the end. So after you have learned the new words and phrases, stick around and review what you learned in previous lessons. Reviewing is one of the most important parts of learning a language. You can also get the full list right now at urdupod101.com. Click the link in the description to access more example sentences, create your own flashcard deck, and finally master Urdu. Okay, let's get started. First is kar sakna, can. Kar sakna, kar sakna, can. वो अच्छा गा सकती है. She can sing well. वो अच्छा गा सकती है. सिफर, zero. सिफर, सिफर, zero. सिफर अदद, number 0. सिफर अदद. एक, 1. एक, एक, 1. एक दिन में 24 घंटे होते हैं. There are 24 hours in one day. एक दिन में 24 घंटे होते हैं. दो, 2. दो, दो, 2. अदद 2 मेरा पसंदीदा अदद है. The number 2 is my favorite number. अदद 2 मेरा पसंदीदा अदद है. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. आपके पास 3 इख्तियारात हैं. You have 3 options. आपके पास 3 इख्तियारात हैं. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. 4 लेन वाली मोटरवे. 4 lane motorway. 4 लेन वाली मोटरवे. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Starfish की 5 टांगे होती हैं. The starfish has 5 legs. Starfish की 5 टांगे होती हैं. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. 6 चीजें. 6 things. 6 चीजें. 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. हर हफ्ते में 7 दिन होते हैं. There are 7 days in every week. हर हफ्ते में 7 दिन होते हैं. 8 8 8 8 8 मेरी एक 8 साल की बेटी है. I have an 8-year-old daughter. मेरी एक 8 साल की बेटी है. 9 9 9 9 9 बाहर दर्जा हरारत 9 डिग्री है. The temperature outside is 9 degrees. बाहर दर्जाए हरारत 9 डिग्री है. 10 10 10 10 10 ये इमारत 10 मंजिला है. This building has 10 floors. ये इमारत 10 मंजिला है. Salesman 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 वो एक salesman है. He's a salesman. वो एक salesman है. Manager 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 फैक्ट्री का मैनेजर हदायत दे रहा है. The factory manager is giving instructions. फैक्ट्री का मैनेजर हदायत दे रहा है. बावर्ची cook बावर्ची बावर्ची cook वो एक 4-star रेस्टोरेंट में बावर्ची है. She is a cook at a 4-star restaurant. वो एक 4-star रेस्टोरेंट में बावर्ची है. Engineer 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 एक अच्छा इंजीनियर सिस्टम्स का नक्शा बना सकता और उसे तामीर कर सकता है. A good engineer can design and build systems. एक अच्छा इंजीनियर सिस्टम्स का नक्शा बना सकता और उसे तामीर कर सकता है. Programmer 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 मैं प्रोग्रामर हूँ. I'm a programmer. मैं प्रोग्रामर हूँ. Nurse 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 ये औरत एक नर्स है. This woman is a nurse. ये औरत एक नर्स है. जिस्म body जिस्म जिस्म body ग़िज़ा जिस्म के लिए ईंधन है. Food is fuel for the body. ग़िज़ा जिस्म के लिए ईंधन है. सर head सर सर head अपने सर की हिफाजत के लिए हेलमेट पहनो. Wear a helmet to protect your head. अपने सर की हिफाजत के लिए हेलमेट पहनो. Remember, the goal of this series is to build a vocabulary of the 800 most common words and phrases in Urdu. If that sounds like a lot, don't worry, we can help you. Click the link in the description to access the full list. You will also get example sentences, custom flashcard decks, and most learning resources at urdupod101.com. See you next time. Alvida. In this video, you'll learn 20 of the most common words and phrases in Urdu. Hi everybody, my name is Afra. Welcome to the 800 Core Urdu Words and Phrases video series. This series will teach you the 800 most common words and phrases in Urdu. But there's a twist. With each new lesson in this series, we'll include the previous lessons at the end. So after you have learned the new words and phrases, stick around and review what you learned in previous lessons. Reviewing is one of the most important parts of learning a language. You can also get the full list right now at urdupod101.com. Click the link in the description to access more example sentences, create your own flashcard deck, and finally master Urdu. Okay, let's get started. First is haath, hand. Haath, haath, hand. दायां हाथ, right hand. दायां हाथ. बाजू, arm. बाजू, बाजू, arm. दोनों बाजू उठाए गए हैं. Both arms are raised. दोनों बाजू उठाए गए हैं. पाँव, foot. पाँव, पाँव, foot. एक पाँव में 5 उंगलियां होती हैं. A foot has 5 toes. एक पाँव में 5 उंगलियां होती हैं. टांग, leg. टांग, टांग, leg. लंबी टांगें, long legs. लंबी टांगें. उंगली, finger. उंगली, उंगली, finger. मेरी उंगली से खून निकल रहा है. My finger's bleeding. मेरी उंगली से खून निकल रहा है. पीठ, back. पीठ, पीठ, back. एक खारपुष्ट की पीठ नोकीले कांटों से भरी होती है. A hedgehog's back is covered in sharp spines. एक खारपुष्ट की पीठ नोकीले कांटों से भरी होती है. पेट, stomach. पेट, पेट, stomach. मेरे पेट में दर्द है. I have a stomach ache. मेरे पेट में दर्द है. सीना, chest. सीना, सीना, chest. सीने का एक्सरे, x-ray of a chest. सीने का एक्सरे. जनवरी, January. जनवरी, जनवरी, January. जनवरी में यहाँ बहुत सर्दी है. It's very cold here in January. जनवरी में यहाँ बहुत सर्दी है. फरवरी, February. फरवरी, फरवरी, February. लीप ईयर का दिन 29 फरवरी है. लीप ईयर डे इज February 29. लीप ईयर का दिन 29 फरवरी है. मार्च, 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 मार्च. अब अप्रैल है तो गुज़िश्ता माह मार्च था. It is now April, so last month was March. अब अप्रैल है तो गुज़िश्ता माह मार्च था. अप्रैल, April. अप्रैल, अप्रैल, April. अप्रैल की बारिश मई के फूल ले आती है. April showers bring May flowers. अप्रैल की बारिश मई के फूल ले आती है. मई, 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 मई. 31 मई को इंसदादे तंबाकूनोशी का आलमी दिन है. May 31st is World No Smoking Day. 31 मई को इंसदादे तंबाकूनोशी का आलमी दिन है. June, 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 June. जून में हमारी शादी हो रही है. We are getting married in June. जून में हमारी शादी हो रही है. July, 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 July. जुलाई 31 दिनों वाले 7 महीनों में से एक है. July is one of 7 months with 31 days. जुलाई 31 दिनों वाले 7 महीनों में से एक है. August, 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 August. स्कूल अगस्त में बंद है. The school is closed in August. स्कूल अगस्त में बंद है. September, 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 September. Yakam September, September 1st. Yakam September. October, 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 October. Halloween 31 अक्टूबर को आता है. Halloween falls on October 31st. Halloween 31 अक्टूबर को आता है. November, 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 November. नवंबर 30 दिनों वाले 4 महीनों में से एक है. November is one of 4 months with 30 days. नवंबर 30 दिनों वाले 4 महीनों में से एक है. December, 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 December. जुमा 8 दिसंबर, Friday, December 8th. जुमा 8 December. Remember, the goal of this series is to build a vocabulary of the 800 most common words and phrases in Urdu. If that sounds like a lot, don't worry, we can help you. Click the link in the description to access the full list. You will also get example sentences, custom flashcard decks, and most learning resources at urdupod101.com. See you next time. Alvida.
Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Urdu ebook before it's gone.